The Bible tells us, do not be afraid of the face of man.
Sveto pismo nam pravi, naj se ne bojimo ljudi.
Now, I was a firefighter before I gave my life to Jesus.
Preden sem dal življenje Jezusu, sem bil gasilec.
If you told me to run into a burning building, knock down a wall, save children, no problem. I do it all the time.
Če bi mi nekdo rekel, da naj pač tečem v gorelo stavbo in rešim otroke, to ni bil noben problem, to sem
Climb
vedno
on top
počel.
of the roofs of big buildings, no fear. I do it all the time.
Ja, se pravi, tudi plezanje na visoke stavbe, nobenih strahov nisem imel.
But when I came to the Lord,
Ko pa sem prišel k
a
Gospodu,
priest friend of mine said, I want you to get up and give a talk.
je pa duhovnik rekel, naj vstanem, pa nekaj povem pred ljudmi.
I said, no,
In
I
sem
can't do
rekel,
that.
ne,
I
tega pa
don't
ne
want to
morem.
do that. I never want to get up and talk in front of people.
Ne, ne bom, nikoli ne bom govoril pred ljudmi.
It's too embarrassing. I know I'll do a bad job.
Tako mi sram me je, enostavno sem preslab in ne bom dobro naredil.
So he said, all right, you just be the moderator, the MC for the day. He was going to give the talk, and I moderated the day.
Ok, potem boš pa samo moderiral dan, bo pa nekdo drug govoril.
So I got up, and I introduced a priest from another state, wrong city, wrong church, wrong name, everything wrong.
Ok,
Not funny.
se pravi, prvo delo v tem smislu je bilo toliko napak, napačno mesto, napačno cerkev, priimek, vse je bilo narobe.
It was one of the worst days of my whole life.
In to je bil res en
I
najslabših
hated it.
dnev v mojem življenju.
Absolutely hated it.
Res sem to sovražil.
And when the day was all over,
In ko je bilo dneva konec,
a little girl walking up to me.
je prišla deklica mala k meni.
She had problems. She was a girl with problems.
Ok, imela je probleme,
And she
punčka.
said to me,
In mi je rekla,
if you love Jesus, you won't be afraid.
če bi ljubil Jezusa, te ne bilo strah.
There were 300 people in the room.
Je v sobi bilo
If
300
they weren't
ljudi.
there, I would have killed her right there.
Ja,
I
jaz
would
bi jo
have strangled
kar
her to
ubil
death.
bi jo, kar zadavil bi jo tam.
Because this was the hardest thing I ever did in my life.
Zato, ker je bilo to nekaj najtežjega, kar sem v življenju naredil.
But I did it.
Ampak sem.
For my love of God and my love of that priest. He was a wonderful man.
Ok, iz ljubezni do Boga in tistega duhovnika, ki sem ga imel rad.
And he asked me more and more to do more and more. And as time went on, it got easier and easier.
In tisti duhovnik me je pač vabil, da sem delal čedalje več in več.
Within a couple of years from that, I ran an evangelization school for the diocese.
Čez nekaj let sem potem že vodil evangelizacijsko šolo za škofijo.
I had archbishop, bishop, auxiliary bishop,
Se pravi, nadškof, škof, pomožni škof,
50 priests,
50 duhovnikov
and 50 lay leaders come to my class.
in 50 laičnih voditeljev, ki so prišli na moj seminar.
3 television stations from my state and one from Boston came down to show this on television.
Ok, se pravi, 3 domače televizijske postaje, pa ena iz Bostona so v bistvu to pokrivale.
But because the Lord had tested me already,
Ampak ker me je Bog že preizkusil,
it was a pleasure. I enjoyed it.
mi je bilo všeč.
That's a complete conversion.
In to je popolno speobrnenje.
But it comes through going into the desert.
Ampak pride skozi puščavo.